All right, so this is me demonstrating how to pick the Avis 7850 lock with an aluminum shim. I've already gone ahead and made a few, but I'll show you how they're made as well. I've mapped it out on a piece of tin. And you're just basically cutting a little protruding tab into the tin. Just like this. And now all of these guidelines are to show you how to fold it over. And the reason you do this is to give yourself something to hold on to, because the tin is very sharp. It serves as a handle. So there you have it. That is aluminum shim ready to be used. I find it's easier if you shape it around the lock or a pen or something to begin with. So here we go. We have our lock purchased out of the Ryerson bookstore. Gonna lock it, and here we go. That one's too long. So it just slips right down where the locking mechanism is. And pull it down as you pull up. Boom. Just like that.